Greetings, it is I, Susie Q. Today we're working with the angelic beings of light unto light. And so if you enjoy some of these videos that I'm creating, I'd love it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out some of the activations, some of the transmissions, the AKASHIC records, and the QHHT. I do have tons of material there. But if you like to do that, we'd be happy for you to subscribe and maybe like. So anyway, so we're going to get started right now. It's about the angelic beings of light unto light. There is an automatic response to frequencies that abound and come into your field. Notice the moments of the appearance of void. Within this space of void, be open to the notion that this void presents to you something that you have asked for. When we ask, release, and move about our day, feel into the knowing that the ask is the gateway to deeper realizations of self. Void shows up with many colors and streams of light code and sounds that resonate even if you are unable to articulate what the sounds are. The ask for the typist did produce within her field of appearances of void a legion of light beings, aka the angels. These angels, you know them well. They remind the typist of their presence in all ways of being. Whether it be in a wakeful state or astral travel, the angels are present. By allowing yourself to believe, if even a sliver of this aliveness, you will be tuned into vast perspectives of life in and of this way. Your angelic realm is another true aspect of who and what you are. Just as you reside in the body of your choosing, there is another aspect of you that is now, one of the whole of the legions of angels that are with you always. Believe or disallow, up or down, happy or sad, black or white, all same in the higher realms. For this we are now complete. Remember, do, ask, listen, and smile. All right. Sweet when the angelics come in, and they just come in real briefly. You know, when I'm looking at some of these written pieces, some of them are real long and so wordy. And then what we found right now is that the angels are, really working with us, but it's a real quick, it's a real quick experience with the angelics, and just acknowledging how amazing and how beautiful it is to be aware, to be awake to the to the angelics. And it's really a sweet, sweet spot. I really enjoy sharing some of this material. It could be from my Akashic records, it could be from my soul's messages, could be from Source or God or any other name that goes by for you. And then we start getting more guidance. And I usually get it on the right side. Here is where I start getting messages on the right side, and that's where I start typing. And so all of this is such a gift. And so for each one of you that are listening to this and experiencing some of these beautiful angelics, just know that even if we just talk about the words or Susie's just reading it, right? But then there's all of that infused light energy. All of it is infused light energy with these angelics. So we'll see you soon, and namaste.